Good the afternoon, gamers. It is me, Carlos. And are yous ready to bear the witness, the top of the 10 alien, and then the caught it on the camera? Every year, is a many encounter of the extraterrestrial keen across the parts of the world, and many are posted upon the internet by the good people of the internet, including the spotty of many united flying flobject, and even closed encounters of the thirst kind. Now I'll sit back and relax as I present to you the top of the 10 the aliens caught it on the camera. Numero uno. It is the photography taken in the WinRAR of 1993 of the alien having a boondoggle and a panache. He is very fashionable, and Milanese Fashion Fall Winter 2017. He was last seen at the Columbia Records recording his latest album, which features a diss track against his homies who crashed their UFO in Roswell. Nolbardua, the aliens, kapakuted in a kissing, such as a very romantic occasion, and has left me in the exhaustion of the loins. Oh, whoa. Wow. Why, you. Why is us? Wow. Object. Bar 3. The Gleebles. The Gleebles be doing a singy songbird from the liver puddle singing The Yellow Submarine, and the song of the yesterday.